We're here with the Storm's Will Chambers. Will, nice to get a win before you leave today?
Yeah, it was, obviously no one expected us to win the whole tournament, so we've got a win out of the way now. We've got an exciting game against South tomorrow, which will be a do or die for us.
What did you speak about after the loss to the Cowboys this morning?
I just think the young boys were a bit nervous, a bit excited and got a bit overruled with it all. So we just spoke about being composed and enjoying it and sort of just sticking to what we did at training and that, and yeah, it's all worked out.
Speaking of those young guys, who have you been particularly impressed with today?
Kurt Mann, he played a few games last year, he was quite impressive, and then young forwards, Christian Welsh went well just then. So yeah, we've got a few young kids there, they're all going well, and it's an exciting time for the Storm moving forward.
Now important to make sure you make a good impression tomorrow and get some points on the board and finish high?
Yeah, that's it. We'd like to obviously go through the next stages, but we've got to worry about playing South first and see how we go. They were quite impressive in their first game, so we'll see how they go.
Best of luck.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.